Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the triangle guard from Squid Game. So first we're going to start out with the center of our head, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's come underneath for the hood, and we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right, bringing that up on the side. On both sides now, we're just going to curve this line in towards the top. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line, moving down slightly. And then underneath again, leaving in a small gap. Let's replicate that. In the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down on either side. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in the triangle. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And then on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that joins in at a point in the center. Now let's move in towards the middle, coming up. We're going to draw in another straight line. And then again, a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle on both sides. Now let's draw on the torso. So coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side. We're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Moving up, let's replicate that, closing off the belt. On both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. And then moving across again, we'll replicate that. In the center now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up on both sides. For the pocket on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a square. And then moving down, we're going to draw in another straight line in the middle. Now we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's move down now, drawing in the legs. We're going to draw in a curved line. We're going to draw in two more straight lines that come up, following the lines above. Now for the legs, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down on both sides. On the outside, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then again, as we move down. Now from here, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then again, moving up, we're going to arch this line across. Now for the feet, we're going to curve this line down. And then from that corner on the inside, we're going to arch this line in. Now moving up, we're going to arch this line across. Let's focus on our right arm first. We're going to come down, bringing this line out and then in. And then again on the top. On the inside, we're going to curve this line down and then back in, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Moving underneath, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. And then again, just drawing in another curved line. For our fist, moving down, drawing in a small arch line. In the center for the thumb, curving this line up. For the first finger, we're going to arch this line in. Stepping across, let's replicate that. Then again, one more time as we curve this all the way around and up. Now let's draw on our left arm holding in the gun. So we're going to bring this line out and over. And then on the bottom, just curving this line back out again. We're going to draw on a small arch line, stepping across, replicating that. For the thumb on the top, arching this line down and then in. Moving down for the center finger, drawing in another sideways oval. And then again, doing the same thing on the bottom. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Underneath, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll do the same thing underneath our thumb. Then we're going to bring this line across, closing off the palm, curving that line in. Now from here for the gun, we're going to draw on a straight line that comes out. We'll bring this line up further on the top. Again, from here, we're going to bring this line all the way over. And then again, drawing this line coming straight down. And then underneath, just drawing in a small curved line. And that is it. That's how you draw the triangle guard from Squid Games. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.